Let's make some fish on festival. So I'll be using some snapper fillet seasoned with your favorite season and an egg and set aside. For the festival, add flour, cornmeal, baking powder, salt, and nutmeg, add vanilla to water. Mix well to form a nice soft dough, cover with paper towel and set aside. For the fish batter, add the same season and set aside. Form your festival into the desired shape and fry until they're nice golden. This take about 6 minutes. And of course, I love me some rye plantain, and my dinner is not complete without rye plantain. So I went ahead and fry up some plantain. Once these are done, remove from the oil. Now I'm going to go ahead and fry up my fish fillet. I fry these until they're nice and golden, and there you have it. Your fish platter is ready. No need to have takeout every Saturday night or Friday night. You could make this at home. This was so good. My entire family enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.